So what we're going to make is, this is the Kneeling Blue Knight, thin blue line, fallen officer's pin. We're going to put it on silver bolt action pin. I've already cut the blank down to size. Bushing's already in there. It comes with the bushing already in. I just had to cut the length down. We're going to get this mounted up on here. Spacer. I've never turned this acrylic before, where I ordered this. I'll find out how it's gonna turn here in just a second though. So again, I'll start the process. We'll skip around with the video, that way you don't have to sit here and watch a 30-minute video. This is what I use to turn the acrylic barrels down. Works really well. We'll start it and then I'll stop the video and come back when it's turned to size. Started turning it. Come back once I get it turned down to size. So I've got the acrylic turned down to size. We're gonna start sanding it now. We'll start with some rough sand and then go all the way up to 12,000. Once we hit 1,500, we'll start wet sanding again. We'll turn the RPM down a little bit. Again, we'll start it and then I'll come back at different points. Loosen that off a little bit. That's 240 grit. Once I get to, I'm gonna jump up to 320, 600, and then we'll start this wet sanding. I'll come back when we start wet sanding. Got it sanded down to 1200, and now we're gonna start wet sanding with micro mesh pads. Should be able to really start to see it coming out now, colors. We'll do a couple of these and I'll come back. It's quite a few of them to do. Spend a little bit of time on each one. We'll come back when I get down to the 12,000. So I went through all the other ones to the pink one now, which is 12,000 with the micro mesh. Just gonna run this on here. The pink one really is such a fine grit. It's not really doing a whole lot. Keep them in this bucket, that way they stay there. What we're gonna do is dry this off just a little bit. Kind of see the colors now. That's really popping out. And then we're gonna turn the speed down. I'm gonna use some ultra wax, plastic wax. We'll do 3 or 4 coats and polish this acrylic. It doesn't take much. I've been selling a lot of these, just pens in general, not this particular one, this first one. With this stuff I've done, this falling off sheer acrylic. But I do believe, I don't think I'm going to sell this one. I think I'm going to keep this one for my own personal collection, just because a lot of respect for the police officers, what they do. It's going to be a very, very pretty pen. Let that dry for just a second. You can see that plastic polish does to it. It makes that acrylic really, really shiny. Makes it pop really good. A little bit of glue on there. I'll just rub the edges with some sandpaper to clean off that glue. Now we're ready. Like I said, we're going to put it on this bolt action pen. I have a tendency to misplace the spring. Wants to bounce everywhere. I don't have a pen press, so I use one of these clamps to do it. It's got soft jaws on it, so I really like these bolt action pens. They're pretty popular. The spring in there. That's it there. Just nailing night, then thin blue line around the backside. All on a bolt action pen kit. Turned out really, really sharp. Till the next one.